Alright, so right now I'm walking to get my RAZER KRAKEN Pro V2 and I pay using wire transfer. So I have my package right over here. I'm gonna do unboxing. Okay, let's go. So first thing, where do I open this? Where is opening? Here? Can't really see it. Here? Oh yeah, it's right here. So unseal this thing because it's sealed, so I have to unseal it when using this. I got it. Okay, done. So it's now is unsealed. Okay, that's this. It's very high quality. Even the seal is high quality. My God. Okay, so I've unsealed it. I can open this part up, I believe. Yep. Okay, now it's open. Whoa, it's open. Whoa. Wow. What do I get? A lot of bubble wrapping. Bubble wrapping. So let's see what do we have in the bubble wrapping. Okay, just one. Whoop. Okay, put it on the ground. Okay, so let me show you around here. Oh, what's this? A bit broken here around there, but thanks to the bubble wrap, everything is fine. Okay, let's put it on. Let's take the whole thing up. So there we go. Okay, because this is a quite premium headset, so it's not like the RAZER Electra that I see the review. It just comes with a plastic. This one actually comes with a premium box. Wait. I'm gonna show you my RAZER TheFatRat. Wow. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this Chroma is actually come with a pretty nice box as well, just like this one, because it's premium. And it have this thing right here. I'm not sure whether is this for opening or whether this is for hanging. I'm not at the store, so I'm not sure. See, I can pull this thing out. Oh, it's coming up. Oh, what do you have inside? The Kraken out. I do not know how to get it out, and I don't want to damage it. Okay, I get it out. Wow, my God, this is crazy. I'm not an expert. This is my first time reviewing headphone. Okay, it's quite fun. It's called a controller. Yeah, I do not need to explain too much because everybody have their review out there already. This is for me just doing for fun. Yeah, and since this is a very amazing headset, I'm gonna show you guys. Right, size is significantly different. Alright, so now I'm trying to hold at the middle. Look at this. Oh my God, this one is big, this one is small. Big, small, big, small. I can't believe it, but I know that they can extend it very nicely, and it's very sturdy. It's very sturdy, right? You can feel the strength. Oh, you can feel the strength in it. Oh my gosh. You can feel the strength. You can feel that. It's very strong. It won't break. You can feel. Okay. It is an aluminum or steel alloy, right? Aluminum alloy. It's a very strong. It's not, I won't dare to say it's strong, but it's definitely stronger than plastic, right? This is plastic. This is aluminum alloy. Strong. Closing. Back. Whoop. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. And coming up, I will be talking about how to do wire transfer.